Yeah. I'm waiting for a candidate to come. Hello. 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 You are not able to connect to audio. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Acha. What is your full name?
Sir, my name is Kratika Mishra,
Mishra. From which state?
Uttar Pradesh,
Oh, good. Excellent. Which date is your interview?
20th November.
Are bhai. Only 20 तारीख.
Yes, sir.
Good. What is your basic degree?
Bachelor of Commerce,
Oh, good. Which year did you complete your degree?
in 2018.
Good. After that, have you been working somewhere?
No, sir, I have been preparing for banking.
Is this the first interview you are attending?
No, sir. So last year I gave the RRBPO interview.
Really? Acha.
Yes, sir.
Did you take mock interview from me, or I was not known to you?
Sir, I didn't know that you are taking the interviews.
Yeah. So last time, how long did the interview take place? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes?
Sir, around 15 minutes.
Okay. How many people were there in the interview panel?
So 6.
Oh,
One,
oh, 6
yes, sir.
people, one
One
lady
ma'am.
and 5. So they must
Yes,
have
sir.
posted so many questions. Were they posing questions relating to your commerce subject or relating to
Sir, graduation.
relating to graduation? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you are now ready for questions relating to your graduation plus banking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, we will see how you are answering. So why did you choose commerce as your subject in your degree course? Hello.
I am not preparing for that question.
So when you come across such a question for which you are not prepared, you should not simply sit, but try to pose some answer. For example, why did you prefer commerce? Means you can at least say, I like commerce subjects. I did not, I was not willing to go for science subject. So I opted for this subject. Plus,
So, but
commerce
they
plays an
pose
important role in everyday's life. Correct?
yes, sir.
Something like that you must be able to tell. Now make out some sentences and tell me, why did you choose BCom?
So
Yes.
because I'm
What happened? आप हिंदी में बोलिए ना, कोई बात नहीं. आप क्यों कॉमर्स लेना चाहते थे? क्यों लिया? ये तो पिताजी ने बोला और किसी और दूसरा लोग बताया, इसी वजह से आपने लिया. और किस चीज के लिए आपको कॉमर्स लेना पड़ा?
सर मुझे मतलब पहले से ही था कि मुझे बैंकिंग सेक्टर में जॉब करनी है, एंड तो मुझे सबने कहा कि कॉमर्स ही लेना प्रेफरेबल रहेगा क्योंकि बाकी आगे इसके सब्जेक्ट्स हेल्प करेंगे आगे वर्किंग में. दैट्स व्हाई.
अच्छा, good, good. But you also know that non-commerce students also join in large numbers in banks.
Yes, sir. Mostly BTech graduates, but
Only graduation
my
required. So
graduation,
we do have engineering graduates also joining nowadays as officers, correct?
yes, sir.
How they are able to make it up quickly? I mean, in large numbers. It is because they are more good in quantitative aptitude, they are more good in reasoning, and other things they study. Whereas commerce students, we find it little difficult to make more
In
marks
quant,
in the quantitative aptitude.
yes,
Possibly reasoning, you may do it. I'm not sure. It differs from individual to individual. Correct?
yes, sir.
Good. How many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have one elder brother.
Oh, what is he doing?
So he's working as a computer engineer in Accenture.
Oh, good. Excellent. Acha, you attended IDBI interview also.
Yes, sir.
How will
They
you,
posted almost 20, 25 to 30 questions and
you will,
इंटरव्यू बहुत सारे उन्होंने फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे पूछे थे मुझसे,
acha, and
एंड
was
दे आर ट्राइंग टू कंफ्यूज मी.
correct. That's what they will do. Were you satisfied with the interview or you were not happy with the interview? Hello.
आई एम सर मैंने बहुत कुछ मतलब एक्सपीरियंस और बहुत कुछ सीखा आईडीबीआई के इंटरव्यू से रादर देन आरआरबी.
So which questions could you not answer properly in that interview?
सर
You are taking
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन,
you are taking such a long time. While it is good, but in interviews इतना समय नहीं दे सकते हैं. समझ गया? जल्दी जल्दी.
ओके सर.
हाँ. अच्छा,
सर उन्होंने पूछा था दैट व्हाई बैंकिंग, ओनली बैंकिंग. तो मैंने मतलब उन्हें बताया था कि मेरी ग्रेजुएशन उनको मतलब हेल्प करेगी और मुझे इंटरेस्ट था इन बैंकिंग सेक्टर में. बट उन्होंने दोबारा से पूछा कि नहीं ये प्रॉपर आंसर नहीं है, आप दोबारा से बोलो ये बैंकिंग क्यों. तो इसमें मुझे मैं स्टक हो गई थी.
अच्छा, इसमें आप ए बोलने से अच्छा होता था. मेरा कॉमर्स सब्जेक्ट इज समवॉट इज यूजफुल इन बैंकिंग. इसका अलावा कॉमर्स से बैंकिंग सर्विस गिव्स लॉट ऑफ जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन बिकॉज we are dealing directly with the customers, and not
यस
only that, banking offers good scope for career growth because it is an expanding sector.
यस ओके सर.
So now try.
एंड सर
Why tell me why banking? और
सर बिकॉज
बाद में इसको अब लिसन कर दीजिए, आप अपना सेंटेंस फ्रेम कर लीजिए. ठीक है?
यस ओके.
या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
सर दे आस्क्ड मी अबाउट, स्टार्टिंग में उन्होंने पहले मुझसे ग्रेजुएशन से पूछा रेशियोज एंड ratios and current assets, liquid assets, quick assets. इन तीनों ने उन्होंने मुझसे एग्जांपल्स भी पूछे दैट ये बॉटल रखी है ये कौन सी एसेट है, हमारे ऑफिस में वॉच लगी है वो कौन सी एसेट है. एंड उसके बाद उन्होंने रेशियोज पूछे. देन उन्होंने मैंने एग्जांपल भी दिया और रेशियो भी बताया कि उनको. तो फिर उन्होंने पूछा ये क्यों होता है. तो उसमें मुझे थोड़ा हुआ कि ऐसा क्यों है
No,
कि
why?
2:1 से लेस देन क्यों होता है. तो उन्होंने काफी ज्यादा फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन पूछे. जब तक मैंने उन्हें सॉरी नहीं बोल दिया कि मतलब मुझे नहीं आता है, तब तक उन्होंने बहुत सारे फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे.
I think perhaps he would have been a commerce graduate और बैंकिंग में काम किया ना, उनको बहुत he is very
ये सब बट
comfortable.
आरआरबी में मुझसे इतने ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे गए थे, बट आईडीबीआई में बहुत ज्यादा पूछे थे. एंड दे मेड ट्राई टू कंफर्टेबल, मतलब उन्होंने काफी ज्यादा हेल्प भी करी थी, बट काफी ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे.
हम्म. Acha, which one was becoming 2:1? Current ratio.
Yes, sir. Less than 2:1.
Current ratio 2:1 1 is तो बहुत करंट असेट है पेमेंट करने के लिए, करंट लाइबिलिटी के लिए. लेकिन आइडियल रेशियो इज 1.3:1 और 1.5. ज्यादा नहीं रखना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
समझ गया?
Yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
इधर अभी अभी क्वेश्चंस आया है. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय बी कीपिंग? बी कीपिंग सुना है इसके बारे में?
No, sir.
व्हाट
It may be bookkeeping.
beekeeping, that is to get honey out of it.
Yes, sir.
So I also don't know much about it. Let me go through this google.com. But what is beekeeping? Trying to grow more bees so that after they are coming in more numbers, you can pierce them and then take out the good honey
The
which
honey,
can be
yes.
marketed. That's all. But it is
Yes,
really
sir.
a risky trade. And also because bees may bite the person who is handling it. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Here, there is one beekeeping, how to start beekeeping. Beekeeping Wikipedia. I am giving you the link from Wikipedia.
Okay, sir.
Beekeeping. इसमें Wikipedia में क्या दिया है? Beekeeping is the maintenance of bee colonies, commonly man-made hives by humans. Most such bees are honeybees in the genus Apis, but other honey-producing bees such as Melipona stingless bees are also kept. A beekeeper within bracket apiarist, APIARIST, keeps bees in order to collect honey and other products that the hive produce, including beeswax, propolis, flower pollen, bee pollen, and royal jelly to pollinate crops or to produce bees for sale to other beekeepers. A location where bees are kept is called an apiary, APIARY, or bee yard. इतना जानने से ज्यादा है. बट आप उधर जाने का पहले इसको पूरा देख के जाने से तो थोड़ा फायदा होगा आपको.
Yes, sir.
जैसे आप अभी बी कीपिंग का बारे में पूछा, ऐसा में आप दूसरे चीज को भी कंफर्टेबल होना है. डेयरी कीपिंग, देन poultry,
Yes, sir.
then what else? Poultry, then piggery, then sheep rearing. ये सबको भी आपको पता होने से अच्छा है. थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़
Okay,
लीजिए,
sir.
विकिपीडिया से पढ़ लीजिए. Then what are
Okay,
the
sir.
would you like to share some of the difficult experiences you had in IDBI so that it may be of help for me to clarify the doubt?
So I did a mistake in that. Like, they मतलब बार बार मुझसे कह रहे थे कि मतलब थोड़ा लाउड बोलो, मेरी वॉल्यूम थोड़ी लो थी.
Acha,
But-
your
and
voice,
मतलब
your voice is low, and prior to that, I also told you are taking such a long time for giving answers. You are testing their patience. समझ गया? मेरे का कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. I can sit and listen. But उन लोग को तो फुर्सत नहीं ना, समय नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Okay.
आप अभी से जल्दी जल्दी हमको आंसर देंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
अच्छा. Please tell me what is your father?
My father is a software consultant
अच्छा. Good. In
and
which
he is
city are you
working
living? He is working in
Kanpur.
Kanpur.
He's
अच्छा.
working on a contract basis.
Acha, good.
And
Why are you mentioning about that contract basis with some sadness? Is it that sometimes he goes without work?
okay, so, sir, but in IDPI they asked me all details
No,
in which
but
forms they do
yeah,
and
is it that sometimes doesn't get work so that he is not fully engaged? And why is he not preferring a permanent job? This type of questions they can ask, doesn't matter. Now,
Okay, sir.
How many you said about your sibling is working in Accenture?
Yes, sir.
Did you ever ask him what is the nature of work he's doing in Accenture? No.
No, sir.
Honestly, tell me. I think you would not have asked him.
Yes, sir. I didn't.
आज आने से तो उनसे पूछ लीजिएगा, भैया भैया आपने एक्सेंचर में क्या करता है, कुछ करता है नहीं करता है, उनसे पूछ लो. आई एम टॉकिंग फॉर फन.
Yes, sir.
So try to know what is the nature of work he's doing.
Okay, sir.
Ask him to make 5 to 10 sentences.
Okay, sir.
Good. You are a commerce student.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the 3 golden rules of bookkeeping?
Yes, sir. These are under 3 accounts. Real account. It can debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Second is nominal. Second is a nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, and credit all income and gains. And third account is personal account. That debit the receiver and credit the giver.
Good. But normally, जब हम पढ़ते थे, we were always taught about personal, property, बाद में last में nominal आएगा. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
That is the
Okay,
rule
sir.
normally. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me what is a journal entry?
Yes, a journal is a original book of accounts, and it contains all the corresponding entries,
Mm.
debit and credit.
Mm.
It also contains a detailed explanation
Mm.
about the transaction.
Like for example, rupees 10,000 check issued for repair of car. So a repairs to car debit to what? Bank account 10,000 being the cost of repairs to car. So ऐसा explain
sir.
करने से अच्छा हो. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Good.
sir.
Now tell me what is a trial balance?
Trial balance is a totaling of debit and credit. It considered closing and opening balance.
No. Trial balance
Oh.
is a summation of debit balances and credit balances.
Yes.
और एक बार try करो. What is trial balance? Hello?
Trial balance is a totaling of debit and credit balance.
And you can add some more point. And when a trial balance is taken, they must tally. Both the debit and credit side must tally. If it doesn't tally, it's an indication that there is some error in calculation. समझ
Okay,
गया?
sir. Yes, sir.
Good, very good, very good. Now, after trial balance, we go for trading and profit and loss account. What is a trading account? What is a profit and loss account?
Profit and loss account is a statement where we ascertain the company's financial, whether it may a profit or loss, and in that we.
No, actually, I know you will not be able to answer. What is a trading and profit and loss account? A trading account gives information related to profit earned or loss through various trading activities. Trading का
Okay, sir.
मतलब क्या है? Purchase and sale.
Okay.
Whereas
Yes,
the
sir.
profit and loss account determine the net profit or loss for the period. It takes into account other expenses
Okay, sir.
and depreciation, everything. So इसका बारे में आप पढ़ना है, आप नोट
Okay,
करके
sir.
रख लो. गूगल में जाके ट्रेडिंग एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट सर्च करो.
Okay, sir.
आपको बहुत कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस आएगा, उसको प्रिपेयर कर लो जी.
Okay, sir.
Next, we will meet again if necessary. Your interview
Yes,
is
sir.
on 20th. We will meet once or
Yes, sir.
twice. If I talk to you once, twice, you may get more confidence.
Yes, sir.
For IDBI, how many times did we talk? Only once or twice?
So I didn't take an interview, mock interview.
Acha, for IDBI. Oh,
Yes, sir.
at that time, perhaps you were not knowing, or you thought it is
Yes.
not necessary to have interview also. Possibly.
No, sir, I didn't know it.
You didn't know about it. Good. Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
sir.
No, but only comment is immediate comment हमने बता दिया ना आपको. जल्दी जल्दी आंसर नहीं देते हैं. Confident
Okay,
कम
sir.
होता है. अच्छा जी.
Yes, sir.
Next question I'm coming to. What is depreciation?
So, the depreciation is a decline in the value of assets due to use and due to use a period of time and due to asset out of date.
Due to obsolescence. Correct. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. You can also explain with example. If they keep
So,
quiet, then you can tell if a property is worth
It-
10 lakhs, then every year 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Straight line method. Then
yes, sir. And
reducing
written
balance.
down.
Yeah, written down value method. Good.
Yes, sir.
Iska bolne se style. This question you answered well. This
Yes, sir.
question
Thank
you answered very well. Can you tell me what is opening stock? What is closing stock?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Opening stock, मतलब in opening stock, we added a recently purchased stock and a carry forward stock, and in closing stock, uh, we deducted sales.
No. Wrong. Opening stock का मतलब at the end of the last financial year कितना stock था वो अभी हम लोग का opening stock है.
Yes, sir.
अभी इस साल में इस financial year का end में जितना stock है unsold, that is known as closing
Yes.
stock.
Yes, sir.
क्यों यार एंजॉय करके नहीं बोलते, अच्छा से बोलना है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Now, have you heard what is a balance sheet?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is a balance sheet?
Balance sheet is a financial statement that reports companies' assets, liabilities, and
As on a
capital and shareholders of the
no.
company.
As on a no, kuch nahi. Other things are not required. A balance sheet is a statement of account of assets and liabilities of a firm as on a particular date.
Okay, sir.
Normally, it is taken once in a quarter, but it can be taken every day also.
Yes, sir.
And what is the financial year?
Sir, April to March
Example, April 2021 to March
20.
2022.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now, what are the items that will appear under liability side of a normal balance sheet? I'm not specific about bank. Normal balance sheet में liabilities में क्या आएगा?
Okay, sir. Share capital and reserve and surplus
Super. Good.
and current liabilities.
Acha, what is the name you said? What Sharma? Sharma na?
No, sir. Kratika Mishra.
Mishra. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है. Good. Mishra. You told good point. Share capital, reserves. इसका अलावा?
The current liabilities and
Long-term
secured
liability.
loans.
Long-term liability.
Okay,
Long-term
sir.
liabilities का मतलब debentures.
Yes, sir.
Debentures का मतलब long period, 5 years, 10 years like that.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ये बताओ, asset side में क्या आएगा?
Sir, asset side में fixed assets, investment on government securities and government securities and shares and current assets, and, loans and advances.
Good.
Cash in hand, cash
Super.
equivalent.
Cash and bank.
Yes, sir. Cash in.
Good. What are current assets? Why they are called current assets?
So because because they are easily convertible into cash within a year.
Super. Good. Nice point. Very good. Now, why do you want to come to banks? We discussed, but still try again.
Yes. Sir, because I want a government job, and banking recruitment process is very fast in comparison to other government exams, and my graduation degrees also help me
Super.
it also helped me in working in bank.
Good. You told nicely. Now let me come to RRB. Shall we go to RRB?
Yes, sir.
How many RRBs are there in Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, 43.
How many RRBs are there in Uttar Pradesh?
3.
Why? Perhaps you didn't hear the question fully and you told 43. Koi baat nahi.
Yes.
No problem. Name the 3 RRBs.
Prathama UP Gramin Bank, Baroda UP Gramin Bank, and Aryavart Bank.
Which bank is the biggest among the 3?
Aryavart? Sir, I didn't know that.
थोड़ा फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए फिगर्स देख के टोटल डिपॉजिट्स एडवांसेस ये फिगर देख के फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए नहीं होने से हम लोग का ग्रुप में पोस्ट कर दीजिए कोई दूसरी लड़का जान पहचान लड़का आंसर देगा
ओके सर
आर यू मेंबर ऑफ माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप
यस सर
वेरी गुड नाउ we can ask some more questions relating to commerce probably next time when we meet today.
Okay, sir.
I have covered the basic questions relating to commerce.
Yes.
What are your strengths?
So my strength is I have patience and dedication, honesty.
Correct. इस सेंटेंस में बताना है I am a quick learner. I am a hard working person and I will not keep quiet without completing the work. I am a creative person. I am good in time management and I am also a person willing to take up leadership responsibilities. I am a good team player also, and I am a person with clearly defined goals. If you stop like that, they will ask, what are your goals? I want to join a bank and soon become manager of a bank after 5 or 10 years, like that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now you had some doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. Is it mention करूँगी अगर leadership quality and
they will question
hard working and तो बहुत follow up
उसमें follow up question hard working को आएगा नहीं but leadership को जरूर आएगा. Leadership, they will ask, what are the occasions you have contributed leadership? You can tell them that I was member of a group where we had some project work. Then they will not stop. What is the project work you had? Again, for that, you give some reason and tell. Or I take leadership in my street or colony or my village, or I take responsibility for arranging events, etc. in my home. Like that, you can tell.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंसली बताओ ना क्यों इतना डल हो गया आपका वॉइस में. you are young, you have done graduation 2018 only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Don't feel bad. There are people with 4 or 5 years backup also, I mean gap also, so don't worry about it. And which newspaper are you reading?
Sir, I am watching an editorial in YouTube. I'm not reading a particular any newspaper.
ऐसा नहीं बोलने से अच्छा लगता नहीं ना. अपने कुछ ना कुछ बताना है. I read Hindu or Times of India. कुछ ना कुछ बताओ ना.
In IDBI they asked me, you read newspaper? Then मैंने yes बोल दिया था. Then उन्होंने फिर मुझसे पूछा था कि मतलब क्या नहीं मतलब आज का न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा. Then मुझे लखनऊ जाना था तो मैंने कहा नहीं सर आज का नहीं पढ़ा. तो फिर उन्होंने पूछा था what मतलब probably क्या न्यूज़ होनी चाहिए आज की.
What was the date? What was the date you attended interview? Because why they asked about this question? Maybe something important would have happened that day.
Yes, sir. India-Pakistan match. I didn't
Oh,
remember the
oh,
exact
acha,
date.
acha. So you should tell from now onwards you start reading Hindu
Yes, sir.
or
Okay, sir.
Hindu not necessarily through paper. You read online.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this question
Yes.
definitely आपको आएगा. Good.
Yes, sir.
अभी बात ये बोलना है आपको ये नौकरी देने से तो आपको इधर उधर डालेगा. You can't be working in कानपुर. हम बैंक में तो आपको डालेगा, लखनऊ में डालेगा तो ये दूसरी जगह पर डालेगा. आपको पिताजी परमिट करेगा?
Yes, sir. Definitely. I, I want to work in a bank, so and my family will be supportive.
अच्छा.
To,
Have you had experience of living separately while studying?
no, sir.
How will you manage when you are posted? Whether your parents will come with you or how will you go?
Uh,
Here you should tell with confidence, I will manage my problems and there should not be any difficulties. Probably for the first few days, my mother may come and assist me in setting up
okay,
a
sir.
house, something like that. थोड़ा मसाला ऐड करके बोलना है.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Good. Now tell me, what are the advantages of digital banking?
So through digital banking, we can access banking services more easily. Uh, in in previous times, for every services we want to go to a bank, and then but through digital banking we can check our account balance, and we can transfer money.
नो ये डिजिटल बैंकिंग के लिए आप बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं ना. अच्छा, ये काम करो ना, गूगल में जाके आप डिजिटल बैंकिंग एडवांटेजेस डालो, इतना
Okay, sir.
पॉइंट्स आएगा. बट नेट रिजल्ट है, इट सेव्स टाइम,
Yes, sir.
इट सेव्स मनी फॉर द बैंक.
Money. Yes, sir.
The convenience of banking from the comforts of home, 24/7 availability,
Yes, sir.
paperless banking, enabled setup of automatic payments, facilitates online payments for online shopping,
Yes, sir.
extends banking service to remote areas. इतना पॉइंट बोलने से हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
अभी हमने बोल दिया आपको, फिर भी हम इस लिंक को हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में दे रहा हूँ.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Good. Next question for you. Can you tell me the 8 sectors of PSL?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
PS is a priority sector lending, and its sectors are agriculture and allied sector, and weaker section, MSME, and education, housing, and and recently government added startup also, and social infrastructure, and
Renewable energy.
yes, sir, renewable energy.
Is
And it gives a loan to farmers for setup of solar power plant and
oh, correct. Acha, one thing,
bio.
you don't have to elaborate unless they want you to elaborate. Elaborate मत करो क्योंकि अब गलत मिस्टेक कर देंगे.
Okay, sir.
समझ गया?
But
खाली
government
खाली
recent.
8 sectors को बोल दो बस.
Okay, sir.
इसका बाद में if they want you to tell what is the maximum limit under education sector, बताओ. 20 lakhs.
20, yes.
And for local education, domestic education 10 lakhs, foreign education 20
Sir.
lakhs.
Okay,
Then
sir.
what is the limit for housing sector? Semi-urban and urban areas and metropolitan में होने से आपको urban metropolitan में होने से 35 lakhs and semi-urban
Okay, sir.
and rural में होने से 25 lakhs. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Explain what is private sector bank and public sector bank.
private sector bank is a bank which owns by an private organization or a individual, and
No.
public sector banks is a bank which owned by government, and more than 50% shareholding is under government
Correct.
in public sector.
ये तो ठीक से बोल रहे हैं. More than 51% and above share is with the government, public sector. Share of the government in bank less than 50% is known as private sector.
Private sector. Okay, sir.
That's all. Good. You did well. I will rate your interview very nicely, no problem. Last question for you. In the RRBs, what is the contribution of various owners?
So central government has 50%, and sponsor banks have 35%, and state governments have 15%.
Good. Best wishes. You have done well.
Thank you, sir.
You have done
Thank you, sir.
well. Today is 12th. Maybe 15th, you can fix up one more appointment if you can pay
Okay, sir.
100 rupees.
Yes, sir.
And,
Okay.
Mishra 15th हम fix कर देगा.
Yes,
आपको
sir. Okay.
same time 7 PM ना 7
Okay, sir.
7 PM बोल के हम तो देरी से आए. ये तो सही होगा. You did well. Don't worry. If you have
Sir,
written your test well, good marks, either में आपको you may get 14-15 marks like that. Then you can get through. But written test में कम mark हो गया तो problem होगा.
yes, sir. I have attempted 138 questions.
वो तब तो बढ़िया है. Even if you score 15 marks, you will get it. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, any suggestions?
Suggestion though, number one, you have to speak more boldly, you have to speak quickly, you have to speak loudly.
Okay, sir.
Knowledge
I will
wise तो हम कुछ नहीं बताएंगे. You have not done any mistakes so far. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But
Thank you, sir.
basic, being a girl from probably a place where not much exposure in metropolitan and all, आपको confidence level कम होता है. Whereas a metropolitan girl will have a better exposure to public participation and they will be able to contribute nicely.
Yes.
आपको ये practice करना है.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. Did well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you can leave. Yeah. Yes. Ayyappa. Ayyappa, please unmute. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. You are from which place?
Vijayanagaram, sir. Andhra Pradesh.
Acha. In case this video stops in between, अच्छा 1 minute. अभी इसको stop कर देगा and I will come again on Zoom. Otherwise the time will be 40 minutes में cut हो जाएगा. Okay? You come, you relog again.
Okay, sir.